Did you know that floor plans are the single most desirable data asset on a listing? That's after photos and listing data. That's according to NAR 2021 Home Buyers Survey. No wonder, since floor plans help buyers understand the total square footage, the layout of the home, and if that flow of that home is going to suit their family's needs. CubiCasa is an easy-to-use mobile application for creating marketing floor plans for real estate. Simply download the application and scan a property in 5 to 10 minutes and receive a floor plan back within 24 hours the next day. CubiCasa recently launched a free version of their floor plans throughout the US. Those floor plans include total square footage as well as room dimensions. You can customize them towards your branding as well. How to get started? Simply sign up through your MLS affiliation link, scan a property in 5 to 10 minutes, choose the options that you need to have on your floor plan, such as digital GLA, 6-hour turnaround time or fixed furniture, and get a floor plan back within 6 to 24 hours. We're happy to invite MLS members to take advantage of CubiCasa's free floor plan option and to further take advantage of the discount on all add-ons such as digital GLA, fixed furniture, and 6-hour turnaround time. Don't want to scan a listing yourself? No problem. CubiCasa is already active with tons of local real estate photographers in your area. Just go to our website to see a directory of people who can add CubiCasa floor plans to their photo package for you. Download the application on the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store and start scanning today.